Hey guys, today we will see Excel shortcut keys. Let's get started. Shortcut key action. Ctrl A, select all. Ctrl A, select all. Click anywhere to deselect. We can click here also to select all. Click anywhere to deselect. Ctrl B, bold. Select the cell, then Ctrl B, bold. Ctrl C, copy. If we do Ctrl C, the next action must be Ctrl V for paste. Select the cell, then Ctrl C, copy, then select the cell where you want to paste, then Ctrl V. Copy means it will be in the original location as well as in the new location also. Ctrl D, fill down. If we want to write the same thing below here, then Ctrl D. Ctrl F, find. Ctrl F, find. Click here, find all. See. Ctrl G, go to. Ctrl G, see. A1, click OK. See, it came here. Again, Ctrl G. OK. See, it came here. Ctrl H, replace. Ctrl H, C, replace with. Click on replace all. See. Ctrl I, italic. Select the cell, then I, C, italic. Ctrl K, insert hyperlink. Select the cell where you want to insert something, then Ctrl K, then select file folders. Okay, see, we can open the folder and file from here, from Excel. Ctrl L, create table. Select the cell where you want to create table, then Ctrl L, click on OK. See. Ctrl N, new workbook. Ctrl N, C, new workbook. Ctrl O, open. Ctrl O, C, open. Ctrl P, print. Ctrl P, C, print. Ctrl R, fill right. Suppose I want here something like this, then Ctrl R. Ctrl R, C. Ctrl S, save. Ctrl S. Ctrl U underline. Select the cell, then Ctrl U. Ctrl U. Ctrl V, paste. So Ctrl C, then Ctrl V. Ctrl C, copy something. Ctrl C, then paste in different location. Ctrl V. Ctrl W, close the worksheet. Ctrl W, see the worksheet closed, but the Excel still open. To open, Ctrl O. Ctrl X, cut. If we do Ctrl X, next action should be Ctrl V. Let's see. Select the cell, then Ctrl X. Select the new cell where you want to keep that, then Ctrl V. See. Cut means it will remove from the original location and it will come in the new location. Ctrl Y, relocation. So previously it was here. Now we did cut and paste. Now do Ctrl Z. It came in the original location again, but we want it here only. Then Ctrl Y. Ctrl Y, relocation. Ctrl Z, undo. If you do any changes on your Excel worksheet, then you want to come back to the original, then press Ctrl Z. Type something here, then do Ctrl Z. See. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with more Excel shortcut.